What if I told you that in 2026, you could start a YouTube channel without ever showing your face, recording your voice, or spending hundreds of dollars on equipment, and still make a full-time income? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the reality. Faceless YouTube channels are booming, and beginners are cashing in faster than ever by using AI, automation, and smart strategies.
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel from scratch, produce content quickly, and grow it into a money-making machine, even if you've never uploaded a single video before. The first step is picking the easiest niche to start. In 2026, small channels are making the most money in niches that are simple, evergreen, and high in demand. Think productivity hacks, AI tools, finance tips, tech tutorials, meditation music, or motivational content. The key is to pick one niche and focus 100% on it. Beginners often make the mistake of jumping between topics, which confuses the YouTube algorithm. A channel that focuses solely on AI tools for beginners or relaxing study music will grow faster, because the algorithm quickly understands who the audience is and who should see your videos. Once you have your niche, the next step is content planning. This is where AI tools become a total game changer. You can generate dozens of scripts in a matter of minutes. But here's where successful creators differentiate themselves. They tweak the AI-generated scripts to make them human, engaging, and unique. For example, if your video topic is top 5 AI tools for productivity, you could use AI to generate the list, but you add examples, mini stories, or personal insights to make the script more relatable. That tiny human touch is what makes viewers stay until the end, boosting watch time and revenue. After scripting, voiceover comes into play. AI voice generators are now incredibly realistic and versatile. You can pick the tone, pace, and accent that matches your content without recording a single word yourself. One beginner channel I studied produced 8 videos in a single day using AI narration alone. This is why producing 30-plus videos in a week is realistic and scalable. With realistic AI voiceovers, you can maintain consistency, speed, and quality, 3 things that are essential to rapid growth. Visuals are another critical component. Many beginners think faceless channels need expensive animation or fancy editing, but that's not true. You can combine stock videos, screen recordings, AI-generated images, and text overlays to create professional-looking content. For example, a video on top AI productivity tools could include screenshots of each app, stock clips of people working on laptops, and animated captions highlighting key features. AI editing tools can even assemble your visuals automatically, saving hours of manual work and allowing you to crank out more videos faster. But here's where it gets really interesting: optimization and scheduling. Creating videos quickly is only half the battle. Every video must be optimized for YouTube SEO with the right keywords in the title, description, and tags, plus thumbnails that grab attention. AI can help you find trending keywords and even suggest thumbnail designs that increase click-through rates. Scheduling uploads consistently is essential because the algorithm rewards regular posting. Many faceless creators automate uploads so videos go live at the perfect time without requiring manual intervention. Audience engagement can also be streamlined using AI. Replying to comments, posting in the community tab, and answering common questions can all be automated with templates or AI-generated responses. This helps maintain engagement, boosts watch time, and signals to YouTube that your channel is active and valuable. The channels that scale the fastest are the ones who automate these repetitive tasks without losing the personal touch that keeps viewers connected. Monetization is where the magic happens. Faceless channels make money in 3 main ways: ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Ad revenue grows with watch time. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by recommending products or services, and sponsorships appear once your audience is engaged and loyal. Even small faceless channels can generate a few $1,000s per month once they are consistent. For instance, a channel reviewing AI tools could earn from ads, affiliate links to software, and sponsored content simultaneously, turning a simple automated system into a full-time income. Performance tracking is another crucial factor. The most successful channels constantly analyze analytics to see which videos get the most views, which thumbnails generate clicks, and which topics retain attention. AI tools can generate reports, suggest trending topics, and even provide content ideas based on search data. One channel discovered that tutorial-style how-to videos consistently outperformed list-style content, so they pivoted, increasing their views by 50% in just a few weeks.
This is why tracking and adjusting your strategy is critical for sustainable growth.
Scaling the system is the final piece of the puzzle. Once your workflow, niche selection, AI script creation, AI voiceovers, visuals, SEO, and engagement is established, you can start producing multiple videos per week. Some creators even outsource minor tasks while maintaining a fully automated system. Scaling doesn't mean rushing. It means using your workflow efficiently to reach more viewers, increase output, and accelerate growth. One small channel went from 0 to 50,000 views per month in just 8 weeks by following this system consistently. The biggest lesson from studying faceless channels is that automation amplifies creativity. It doesn't replace it. You still need strategy, planning, and human touches in your scripts and visuals. What AI does is remove repetitive tasks, speed up production, and free your time to focus on growth and strategy. Beginners can compete with bigger channels if they adopt this system, produce consistently, and use AI intelligently to maintain quality without showing their face. The main takeaway is clear. Starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2026 is easier than ever. Pick a niche, use AI to generate scripts and voiceovers, automate visuals and uploads, optimize for SEO, engage efficiently, and scale intelligently. With consistent execution, this system can turn a simple channel into a sustainable income source that runs almost on autopilot. If you found value in this video, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial, where I'll reveal the exact AI tools and workflow I use to produce dozens of faceless YouTube videos quickly. And check out the video on your screen to see this strategy in action. You'll see how a beginner can turn faceless automation into a profitable channel step by step.